Well, I'm really excited to share some beautiful sounds from the soundtrack of Invasion. So today, let's check out 4 easy chords and play some huge sweeping arpeggios from this beautiful music. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. Whether you're a newbie or returning to piano, let's get into some beautiful sounds from Max Richter today. He's the composer from the TV series Invasion, and I've been watching some of that with my husband lately and hearing some gorgeous sweeping arpeggios. There's some really interesting chord changes in there, and let's play with some octaves to make some really gorgeous sounds. So let's pick out a few notes to create an arpeggio here on F sharp minor. So let's begin on A, F sharp, C sharp, A, F sharp. Then the 2 middle notes in our right hand. So again, A, F sharp, C sharp, A, F sharp, back to C sharp and finish on F sharp. All again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one 6, 7. Then our next chord, let's just change the bottom note and exactly the same notes again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, middle, 7 up to there. So 6 and 7. Let's repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's step our hand into our G sharp here. 2, 3, 4 to E. Middle notes again. Again, let's do the G sharp, E, B, G sharp, E, B to E. And then let's finish on a B chord. So we're going to come down to this one here. F sharp, D sharp, B, F sharp, this B, B, and D sharp to finish. F sharp, D sharp, B, F sharp, this B, B, and D sharp. Let's put that all together in a little run. Here we go. Now let's add some extra steps as we go and do double notes. Just hold that last one. Change your bottom note. Now the E chord. Let's do that again. Then to your B chord. Let's do it again. Let's stretch the tune out now. So with Max Richter's orchestration, he has beautiful sweeping strings in the arpeggios over the top, but then there's a lot of kind of deeper bass notes too, whether it's from, I think there's a bit of French horn and trombone and maybe some tuba and things like that too thrown in. Definitely some cellos in this beautiful atmospheric music. So let's extend it by bringing this F sharp down to a lower F sharp. We'll add that to our double notes in the right hand. Here we go. stretch it down. We'll keep this hand up here, but instead of playing our F sharp here, let's bring it all the way down, even down to this low F sharp here. Here we go. Let's add, with as well as our top pinky, let's bring our left hand down. So let's play the bass note with our pinky up here. Then our thumb F sharp in the middle of the pattern there. Let's do it again. Change to the D's. Thumb. Again. Stepping into the E's. Here we go with our G sharp at the top. Again. Then to B pattern. Again. For the final challenge of the day, let's now mix it around and see what you can come up with, whether you do singles up the top here, or if you want to do double notes. Let's have a little play. We might repeat each pattern maybe twice, just because that gives us a little moment to think of what else we can add. The left hand could stay with the octave notes, repeating some of them as we go, or we could also add a little fifth in there as well if we want to have a bit of a different pattern also. So let's have a play. Well, thanks so much for joining me. If you enjoyed today's video, then please leave a thumbs up. If you'd like some more arpeggio ideas and some more improvisation, then I'll pop a link for you to check out. Mix around some of those ideas together and see if you can also create some beautiful moments for your enjoyment this week. Have a great one. Ta-da.